we're so busy focusing on the new business. What about just maintaining those relationships? And the database refresh product came back to me, and it ranked my entire database on who's most likely to move. And obviously, if they're in my database, I have their name, phone number, and email address. So it's not like it's a cold call, right? It's a warm call. I hate cold calls. I'd rather make warm calls all day long. So I just went to the people on the top of my list and started calling them and got 3 listing appointments out of it right away. Ended up getting 2 listings right away. And these are people I would have missed, right? They're in my database. I obviously know them. Otherwise, they didn't get there. And I said to myself, well, that was easy. These are people who know me. That Steven, come on over. So right away,
send you a big red easy button next time.
Yeah, it was like, wait, I should be calling so-and-so? I'm like, I should be calling so-and-so, and I can't believe I haven't spoken to them in a while, and they're at 97% probability for moving. And I called them on the phone. I said, hey, market's hot. We're desperate for properties. Have you guys talked about moving at all, or potentially putting your home? Maybe your home's worth more than you think. And they were like, how'd you know? I said, I always look for undervalued properties that people don't think their home is what it's worth. In fact, one of my people I went on an appointment thought his home was worth $650, and I said it's actually worth $950. And he sat there and said, "You're kidding me." And I said, "No, your home is actually worth $300,000 more than you realize."
Wow.
And he's like, "That is going to get me to move. Like, that's going to be our conversation." He said, "I'm shocked."